Paco Ŝako, how to play. The rules are the same as regular chess, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. The object of the game is to be the first player to create a union between one of your pieces and your opponent's king. Pieces do not capture opponent's pieces. Instead, they form unions by connecting the pieces together on the same square. Pieces in unions may be moved by both players. However, each player may only move the union piece with the movement ability of the piece they control in the union. Union pieces may not join in union with other pieces, and pieces may not leave a union unless the union is taken over. To take over a union, move a piece that isn't in a union to a union space and replace your piece in that space with the new one. Now, immediately move that freed piece to another available space using its normal movement, which may include forming a new union or taking over another union. You can chain together as many takeover moves as you want that are available in a single turn. However, you may not endlessly chain an infinite loop. You are only allowed to take over a union with your own piece. You may not replace an opponent's piece. Pawns can only join a union with a diagonal attack move. If a pawn is returned to its starting first or second row, it regains its double-step move option. En passant is allowed like normal by creating a union on the passed over space. A pawn already in a union may not perform en passant. Pawns in unions promote like normal regardless of which player moved them to their farthest row. The king is not allowed to create unions, take over existing unions, or partake in a union chain. When you threaten to unite with your opponent's king on the next turn, whether directly or through a chain, that king is in Ŝako. Players do not need to inform their opponent of Ŝako. If the threat of a union is inevitable, then the king is in Paco and they lose. Castling is allowed like normal so long as the king isn't in Ŝako, passes through Ŝako, or ends in Ŝako. The first player to unite one of their pieces with their opponent's king wins. If it is impossible for either player to do this, then the game ends in a draw.